This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetarian split pea soup. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on dried green split peas. Remember to rinse them well before you begin cooking. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions by dicing them. These will form the flavorful foundation of your soup. Finally, choose a good quality vegetable broth or simply use water as your liquid base. To elevate your vegetarian split pea soup, consider adding a smoky element. Smoked paprika or a few drops of liquid smoke can mimic the traditional ham flavor beautifully. Don't forget your herbs. Thyme and bay leaves are classic choices, and a tiny pinch of sage works wonders. For a final touch of brightness, stir in a small amount of apple cider vinegar just before serving. This simple addition truly makes a difference. Cooking your split pea soup to perfection involves patience. Simmer the soup gently over medium-low heat until the peas are incredibly tender, which usually takes about 45 to 60 minutes. Make sure to stir the pot occasionally to prevent the peas from sticking to the bottom and to ensure even cooking. If you prefer a creamier consistency, you can blend about 1/3 of the soup using an immersion blender or a regular blender, then stir it back in. Once your vegetarian split pea soup is ready, it's time to serve. Garnish each bowl with fresh chopped parsley, some crunchy croutons, or even a swirl of plant-based cream for extra richness. This soup pairs wonderfully with a slice of warm, crusty bread, making it a truly comforting and complete meal. For those looking to enhance their home environment, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.